on the 25th of May that the district magistrate from Gumati district, Asari Chakma, denied to meet with His Highness Maharaj. That's the reason he has done a disregard to His Highness Maharaj. That's why we, on behalf of the Tripura Federation, are here to start all the offices.
How many members are here?
Almost 2,000 people are here.
Last of all, SP, what you say?
Yes?
SP, last of all, what you say?
No, we spoke to SP also. They'll also coordinate with us. So we are hoping that all the law and order will be maintained. This thing will be in a peaceful manner.
What is the name? Good name?
James De Burma. I'm the General Secretary of the
The thing is that